How's everyone doing today? Well, I'm back up at the homestead here and I want to do an update on the garden because the last time I was here about a month ago and it hailed and destroyed most of the garden, and Kristen thought it was a write-off, but when I came back yesterday I was quite pleasantly surprised. There's a lot of weeds, but hey, she can't weed with her one hand. Anyways, the tomatoes survived. They came back and they're looking super lush. I'm not sure if there's any tomatoes growing on them. Oh, actually there is a ripe tomato. Look at that. There's some tomatoes down there. So she will get some tomatoes. There's lots of flowers on them. It's mid-August, so hopefully she gets a few of them by the first frost date. I'm not sure what the frost date is up here because she's in zone 4, so I would think sometime mid to late September. Over here there's some carrots still coming up all right. And some lettuces, the Salanova planted. They're coming along slowly. Hasn't rained for a while, but it looks like someone ate some of that. The basil came back quite nicely. It's actually full and beautiful. Sage is good. Thyme's good. And I just want to show you guys the squashes over here because I honestly thought they were done. Like literally destroyed. And I came back and look at this. I'm not sure if they'll actually produce fruit because it's so late now. But let's take a look in here. Oh, actually there is. Look at it all. I think these are the delicata squashes. And Pri is here hanging out. She wants to help do the tour, don't you, Pooch? Yeah. Anyways, look at this. All the flowers in there. They're coming back nicely. And these are the giant pumpkins here. There's one there. There's another one over there as well. And I'm not sure what's over there. I think those were squashes she was doing, or cucumbers. We'll walk over and take a look at those quickly here. Here's some of the chickens. They're doing a good job scratching up that area. Okay, back to checking out how well the garden's doing. The cabbages, I was supposed to help make sauerkraut last time I was up, but I haven't had time. I need to get my maple syrup pans clean today. But let's take a look at these guys in here. I think these were delicatas. Lots growing on, so she should get some of these for the frost hits. Yeah, those are nice flowers. And then there's the other tomatoes I'll put over there as well. Not sure if there's any tomatoes, just flowers. But there's some beans still growing up. I would think she'd get a few beans here and there. But there you go, not exactly a write-off. So happy to see that it came back. Plants are really resilient. I wasn't sure how well they'd grow back or if they would with all that hail, because it was ping pong sized hail. But it did well. There you go guys, quick little garden update of the homestead garden here and how well it actually came back after the hailstorm. Thanks for watching, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and we'll see you out there. Happy gardening.